Hey everybody, so I'm back in the shed for another update. I have the other window too, the window that's back here that's broken. I am not going to bore anybody with me taking it apart or anything like that. At least I don't think I am. I'll still record it, but you guys already saw the process on how to do it. So I don't want to bore anybody. I'm going to get over here, I'm going to get on the other side and unscrew the old window and get everything ready so that when Chris gets home, he can help me to put it in. All right, guys, see you in a few. Okay, so whew, it's really hot out today. The sun beaming at that window has made it sort of easy to peel off the flashing that was there before, other than the fact that it's hot to the touch and it's burning my fingers like as I try to pull it off. I like that it's easy to peel, sort of, but this heat is kind of unbearable. I'll show you in just a second, but whoever put this window up didn't even put any screws on the top part of the window. Yeah, or on the bottom, really. Actually, let me go take you guys to see it. So the bottoms don't have anything other than what was there from the outside of it. There's 2, 4, 6, 8. There's only 8 screws holding in this window. I don't even know how they got away with it, but they did. I mean, the windows aren't super heavy or anything like that, but I would assume they would have had a little bit more screws in it. All right, let's finish taking them out. Show it to the camera.
Yay! It was.
Okay, window is still, sorry, it's really hot. Window is taken out, and once it gets colder, I'll try to clean up a little bit on the sides, but now what I have to do is clean up all of this down here. From when we tried to put the netting to all the staples. That is what I am going to do now before Chris gets home, and then hopefully when he gets here we could put in the new window. I have not opened it yet, so I'm kind of hoping that it's the same window. I got one of them through Amazon and then they quickly became unavailable, so then I found what I'm hoping is the same window on walmart.com, and we're gonna put it up, God willing. Hopefully it's not broken or cracked or anything like that. Wasn't thrilled with the other window, but it is what it is, and it's pretty cheap, so we're gonna do it. All right, I don't want to spend a ton of money on these windows. I just need the shed to be sealed, shielded from, you know, wind and rain and all that jazz. So, okay, let me go ahead and fix this up. Here we go. Okay, so I'm trying to see if I can get a better angle. I'm trying to take off all the staples off of the wood here, out of the framing, because when I put drywall up there, I don't want the drywall to break or crack or to create any weird indentations or anything like that. So I'm pulling out whatever I can that's like pretty loose. Whatever's not, I'm gonna have to pull out differently, maybe with the drill and a flathead adapter. I'm melting. But it's got to get done, so I'll get back to it. Thanks. All right, I wanted to show you guys the staples I'm talking about. So these staples that are there are hard for me to pull out with these pliers. So the ones that are left, like these, I'm gonna go ahead and just pull them out with a flathead screwdriver or a drill. Hope you guys can see that, sorry. These worked a lot easier last time around. I may not be able to use the drill. I may have to look for a flathead, which I know we have one somewhere. I can't remember the last time we actually had to use one. All right, I'm pausing. There's no way I'm gonna put you guys through this torture. Okay, I tried using this part of my son's tool and I had to stop because it was slipping and bending, and my husband lost some of his tendons that way and permanently damaged one of his fingers because of playing around like that. Hey buddy. Hi baby, what you doing?
Just checking on you.
Thank you for checking on me.
You get any water?
I would like some water, yes. So I'm gonna try with something else. Maybe something smaller or something like this. Maybe looks like a bottle cap opener. All right, let's try it with this. Ah, that actually worked. Okay, that worked, but that second one was kind of hard. Let's see if I can keep on doing some more. Okay, it takes them off just about almost all out. So then what I'll do is I'll do it like this, and then I'll just come around with the pliers and pick them off. All right, here we go. Okay, that took a lot longer than I anticipated and that I wanted, but it's done. There's no more staples around there. There's nothing around there that could potentially mess up the drywall or anything like that. Now, the only thing that I felt kind of silly about, like as I was getting this last one somewhere up here, was that if Chris has to make this fit like he did with the other one, then I may have done that all for naught if he's gonna use a new piece of wood. So hopefully it wasn't all for naught, and I don't know. I got all the staples off. All right, I'm gonna get out of the sun before I get any more like heat stricken. All right, heat stricken. I don't think that's a word. Heat stroke is though, so I'm gonna get out of this. Well, it's not really even the sun over here, but it's sort of the sun. It's gotten to me, guys. Okay, it's nice and clean, vacuumed up. There shouldn't be any staples on the floor. Nothing for us to get. Oh, darn it. I see a staple. but I'm gonna ignore it until it's time to put up the window because I am beat. Now I am gonna open the window. I'm gonna open the box with the window in it to see what it looks like because I'm kind of feeling a little bit impatient and I want to see if it's the same one. It was the same company, I think. I'm almost positive. It was the same specs. I didn't want to mess around with the specifications because I couldn't find any window that actually fit the frame of these shed windows. So we have to adapt. So I'm gonna go ahead and open that now. Okay, so the window is the same as the last one. It looks good. It's gonna do the job. It's a little sloppy in the way that they mail them out, the way they ship them. They're not really protected by anything. There's no fragile stickers on it or anything like that. But I think it's gonna work. Okay, now I guess it's just a waiting game for Chris to get home. All right, I guess well, when you see this, we'll be putting up a window. Windows flashed and Chris is creating the new studs for the window so it can be firmly secured, and so that when I apply the drywall I have a firm place to attach it to, and that's all we're doing right now.